life, a sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys and welcome back. Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. Today we're going to be making these adorable Grinch theme hot cocoa bombs, and I'm making these to go into my Grinch theme Grinchmas boxes that you saw at the beginning of the video. We're going to be using almond bark, some green candy color, some marshmallows, and some red heart sprinkles. So let's get started, guys. Again, we are using white almond bark, and this is green color mill candy oil based coloring. All of these items can be found in my Amazon store in the link below. After we get that first coat on there, these are going to go into the fridge for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and just do a second coat around the edges because a lot of that chocolate already fell to the bottom. So the bottom is a lot thicker than the edges. So we're just going to do another thin coat around the edges and then back into the fridge for about 10 minutes before we get ready to fill the hot cocoa bombs. So now I just have a hot pan that I had sitting on the stove for about 10 minutes. And we're just going to get each of our sides of our cocoa bomb. We're just going to lightly spin them around in our hot pan so that we can smooth out the edges so that they will fit together perfectly like a puzzle. I just flipped over my hot cocoa mold and they sit perfectly in there. So that's why I flipped it over. And you see I'm just going to give them a light spin into our hot pan to go ahead and smooth out and even out those edges. These are just hot cocoa packets that I have. These are the Lucky Charm theme ones. You can use regular ones or whatever you want. And I'm just going to get one pack goes into 2 of the cocoa bombs, and then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. We're also going to get some extra marshmallows. You can put whatever you want, guys. You can put some peppermint candy, you can put colored or flavored marshmallows, whatever you want in these. You can get as creative as you want to be. So we're just going to get some extra marshmallows because who doesn't want extra marshmallows in their hot cocoa? And I find that the ones that come in the pack are tiny and they melt pretty quickly, so I always like to put extra marshmallows. So we're just getting those two sides together. We're just going to dip it back into the pan, give it a quick spin, and then that's going to allow us to glue the two sides together. So now this is just some of our extra chocolate that we put into a Ziploc bag, and we cut a tiny hole, and we're just going to get a drizzle on there, and then we're going to get those pink heart sprinkles down on top of each one of our hot cocoa bombs. And this is how our hot cocoa bombs turned out, our Grinch themed hot cocoa bombs. How cute are these? And like I said, they're gonna go inside my Grinch themed boxes. Let me know if you guys want the breakdown of those boxes. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing. Bye.
Sweet life, sweet life.